solve this one. Now this is a quadratic. X squared plus 4x minus 32 equals 0. Well, we need two numbers, right? Because there's a 1 here, right? We need two numbers that multiply together to give us minus 32. And these same two numbers must add together to give us this plus 4 here in front of the x. Right? Now, 8 and 4 will do it, and one of them needs to be negative. So if we had a plus 8 and a minus 4, and if we add them together, they come to plus 4. So there is our two numbers. So now we can rewrite this as x squared plus 8x minus 4x minus 32 equals 0. And you see, we haven't changed the meaning. We've just messed around here. This will still means the same. They still are the same. So now we can pull an x out of here, and x times x is x squared. And take an x out of here, and we just get plus 8. And then we're going to factor out a minus 4 here times x. And if we have a plus 8 here, you can see that if we multiply this x in and this minus 4 in, we'll get back up here. So we're factored out. And now we can say x minus 4 times x plus 8 equals 0. And we can set both of these to 0. X plus 8 equals 0. And solve the both of these independently. X equals 4. And here x equals minus 8. And these are our two solutions.